Have you wondered how businesses execute complex projects within a defined time frame and budget? That's where the art and science of project management come into play. SlideTeam brings you a content-ready project management PPT presentation to streamline the planning processes, organizing, executing and controlling required to achieve specific goals and objectives. Deploy this ready-to-use PowerPoint template to brief your team members about the project. Illustrate project objectives, expected outcomes, planning phases, project process, and more to start the task. Download this pre-designed project management PPT template to outline indispensable activities for the successful completion of the project. Once the project is in its execution phase, identify gaps and potential threats. This knowledge helps you to alleviate and mitigate the associated risks promptly. This ready-made PowerPoint template also comprises a risk management report slide to help you understand loopholes and contingency plans against each. Walk your stakeholders and clients through your project management superheroes who work hard to deliver high-quality outcomes. Apart from the team introduction, this pre-designed presentation also comprises a section on the project budget to help you control your expenses. Download SlideTeam's actionable project management PPT template and meet your project requirements needs to T. You can outline a work breakdown structure and set a timeline to complete tasks associated with the project within the deadline. Create a task matrix and communication plan to showcase outlined processes and the point person responsible for project execution. Use Project Management Gantt chart and project progress summary to track priority, cost, and completion level. Our templates also include a project management dashboard to visualize project progress. Create a comprehensive project status and conclusion report to showcase milestones and share success with your team and management.